Morning, everybody. It's Monday, December the 2nd, first trading day of the month, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2292. Okay, even though it's a busy week for the monthly numbers, this morning the only thing we have is manufacturing ISM for October, and pardon me, for the current month, and construction spending for October. We have Asia and Europe both up a little, and really the stock futures are basically unchanged. Uh, the S&P is up $2.50. The Dow is up $22. Um, the NASDAQ is up $32. The chart on the screen is the nat gas. I'm pointing this out because last week nat gas was the only sector of energy that was actually higher. Well, this morning, with the oil higher, as well as the heating oil and the gasoline, we're down 18 cents in the natural gas, which is over 5.5%. As you can see, we're getting back into that $3 area of support, and this is the weekly. But a look at the daily is a little bit more enlightening, because on this move down, as you can see, we're right on the 20-day moving average. This again is the daily for the nearby. And on this one, $3 is also again support. But take a look at the MACD. It looks like it's getting ready to roll over to the downside. The decline in the last 5 or 6 days has occurred on lower volume as we've gone down. You generally have tried to point out the fact that the velocity in nat gas has really picked up, where we were having 3 and 5 and 6 point days here. In the last couple of weeks, we've had days that have been as much as, well, this one was 28 cents, and 28 cents was about 8% that day. This day we had a range of 40 cents, so that was about 13%. Last week we had a couple of short days where the range was only 12 and 13 cents, but on Wednesday we had a range of 30 cents, which was 10%, followed by Friday's abbreviated session where we turned back up and had a 30-cent range and closed on the high. Well, today we've been the high was down on the day. The low was just about 315 and change, which is a relatively, new low, 314.8. But that 314.8 is down about 22 cents, which is 6.5%. So I'm a little concerned about this. As I've said in my commentary, it is coiling up. It could easily be 280, or it could be $4.50. We really don't know. If we do get down around this 305 area, I will undoubtedly execute on the UNG, either the December or the January calls. As far as the rest of the futures, we had the gold and silver both lower. Gold down 12. It was down about 30 overnight. Same situation with The silver is currently down 14 cents at just under 31. It was 30 and a half, so that was another half a dollar or 65 cents down. Copper has been very quiet, and it's basically unchanged, down about a penny. The dollar is stronger by 55 cents, and that is taking I shouldn't say it's taking the bonds down, but the bonds are down 11 ticks, and those two tend to go together: lower bonds, higher dollar. Bitcoin down about 1,600. Ethereum still up on the day about 18. As far as the rest of the energies, as I said, the oil is up about $1. It was down $3.50 last week. Nat gas is the big loser. Gasoline is up about 3 cents, as is the heating oil. And the grains are slightly lower. So, as far as stocks go, we have Disney up about 0.5% on Moana 2 this weekend. We have Unilever talking about selling their food brands. The stock is 60 and a quarter. That's up about 40 cents. Stellantis, the CEO resigned. This one was down hard last week on disappointing numbers. Down again today, another 9% at $12, down $1.20. And Tesla and BYD are increasing China incentives, according to Bloomberg. That takes the Tesla to 351 and a quarter, up $6 and small change, or 1.8%. And there you have it, folks. We'll be on top of these numbers all week. As far as what they are, we have the JOLTS tomorrow, the job openings. On Wednesday, we have the ADP employment change. On Thursday, we have initial claims, continuing claims, trade balance, factory orders. And on Friday, we have the big number non-farm payrolls and private non-farm hourly earnings, the unemployment rate, and the average work week. On Friday afternoon at 3 o'clock, when they sneak it in when nobody's looking, we have consumer credit. So we'll get a bit of a read on Christmas, but from the standpoint of how badly consumers are going into debt in order to do it. Have a good day. I'll be back.